Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a fashion post design in Canva. Guys, as you know, we started a new course in which I teach you about how you can create a Facebook post on different niches. So guys, in today's video we will design a Facebook post on fashion niche. So you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and also you can provide the services uh, in your local offline market, and you can search on Google as well, search fashion websites and ask them your services. So surely they will hire you. So this is a new method, must try it. But first of all we have to learn the skill. So let's go to canva.com. Guys, if you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software online. It is very easy to use, it is very handy. You can, if you want to learn complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and search for the playlist which is called Canva designing course. And you can, if you watch the playlist, you know all things about Canva from A to Z. So let's start the video. I am going to click on create a design, and here I search Facebook post. You can choose landscape, but I choose square, it's mostly used format. So it is loaded. So first of all I would like to select a template, and here I write fashion, and as you can see there are a lot of templates available. You just have to uh, select the template. So let's see. So I think this one is good. You can also change the style of the template. Yeah, it's look good. Now we just have to customize the template. So I go to photos, and here I search fashion. It's not look good, so we have to change the image. So no, it's not look good. Mm, it's look good, but we have to change, remove the background color of this image. So the background of image is removed and it's look good. If you want to change, you can also change the image, but you have to remove the background. So Brussels, I write here Jenny store fashion sale, and let's place it here. I am just customizing the template. And I also change the username. It is a dummy username. You can also customize the website name. But I think we have to change the color. Yes, this color looks good. And if you want to change the background color, like some light color. Yeah, I think it's also look good. I think it's look good. So you can also add some elements if you want to. Let's try. Yeah, we can also put it here. So I think it's look good. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through this skill. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.